Are you tired of a cluttered kitchen? Wish you could whip up a meal without having to search high and low for the right utensils and ingredients? Today, we're going to tackle the challenge of kitchen cleaning and organization. We've got 10 brilliant tips lined up for you that will transform your kitchen into a clutter-free and efficient workspace. So, if you're ready to revolutionize your cooking experience, let's get the ball rolling. Stay tuned as we dive straight into these life-changing tips. You're ready to transform your kitchen into an efficient, clutter-free cooking space. So, where do you begin? Let's embark on this journey together, starting with our first tip: declutter and donate. That's right, it's time to let go of those items you no longer need or use. From unused cookware and gadgets to expired food, clearing out these items will free up valuable space and give you a fresh start. Moving on to our second tip: divide and conquer. Organize your kitchen into zones for cooking, preparation, and storage. This strategic division will streamline your workflow, making your kitchen a more efficient place to cook. The third tip is a real game changer: invest in clear containers. These handy tools allow you to see exactly what's inside, keeping your pantry and cabinets neatly organized. Plus, they're great for preserving the freshness of your ingredients and preventing food waste. Now on to tip 4: label everything. Labeling containers is an excellent way to stay organized. Whether you opt for a label maker or chalkboard labels, identifying contents will save time and reduce confusion. For our fifth tip, we're looking up: utilize vertical space. Installing shelves or hooks to hold pots, pans, or utensils can free up counter and cabinet space, making your kitchen feel more spacious. Next, at number 6, we recommend using drawer dividers. These nifty organizers keep your utensils in their place, making it easy to find what you need without rummaging through a messy drawer. Our seventh tip encourages you to create a regular cleaning routine. Keeping surfaces wiped down, appliances deep cleaned, and clutter regularly cleared will ensure your kitchen remains a clean and organized oasis. Tip 8 is all about categorizing. Group similar items. By keeping your baking supplies, spices, and other similar items together, you'll know exactly where to find what you need when you start cooking or baking. Tip 9 focuses on your cookware. Store pots and pans efficiently. Using pan organizers or hanging racks not only saves space, but also keeps your cookware easily accessible and organized. Finally, our 10th tip is a protective measure: use drawer liners. Non-slip liners prevent items from shifting around in drawers and protect surfaces from scratches, keeping your kitchen looking its best. Remember, the key to a well-organized kitchen is consistency. Stick to these tips, and you'll have a kitchen that's not just clean and clutter-free, but also a joy to cook in. Now that you're armed with these 10 essential kitchen organization tips, it's time to put them into action. Remember, declutter, donate, divide and conquer, use clear containers, label everything, utilize vertical space, invest in drawer dividers, maintain a cleaning routine, group similar items together, store pots and pans efficiently, and use drawer liners. By implementing these strategies, you'll create a clutter-free and efficient cooking space. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home organization tips, and share your own kitchen organization ideas in the comments below. See you next time on Craft Drawer.